Hello, my friends, and welcome back to Time Out for the Alphabet with Miss T, and that is me. How are you today? I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're ready for another lesson. So today, we are going to go over a special sound. Not just any sound, it is a special letter sound. So you know that we have already gone over our vowel sounds. And what are our vowels? If you said A, E, I, O, and U, you are right. A, which says A and A. E, which says E and E. I, which says I and I. O, which says A and O, and U, which says and U. Those are our vowels. And you notice that the long sound says its name. And vowels have two sounds, says short sound and a long sound. So today we're going to talk about a letter that we also went over already, but it had its own sound. And it is the letter Y. Y. And Y, we says Y. It says Y. If you touch right here, you can feel it. Y. And Y for yak, for yarn, for yard, and even for yawn. So, Y can also have another sound. That's why it's special. That's why we call it a special sound, because it can also take the sound of a vowel. It can take the sound of a vowel. So look at this word and this picture. What is this a picture of? If you said baby, you are so right. So look, we have our Y in the corner, and we have the word baby. And look where the Y is. But did I say baby? No, I did not. I said baby. So what vowel sound did this Y make in the word baby? If you said the long E, you are right. It made the long E sound. So let's look at some other words that have that sound. Here we go. We have daddy, we have happy, we have puppy, we have lady, we have crazy, and we have tiny. And you see there are little symbols up here that help us sound the words out. See that? But the Y carried a different sound. Now I'm going to show you another sound, and then I need your help to tell me which vowel sound the Y is going to make now. Again, you see our Y in the corner. What is this a picture of? If you said fly, you are right. This is a fly. But what vowel sound did the Y on the end make? Fly. If you said the long I sound, you are right. Fly. It made the long I sound. So let's look at some words that have this sound. We have buy, try, fry, and my. Buy, try, my, and try. Okay, I'm saying two tries. This is fry. So you see that Y makes another sound when it's on the end of a word. So it makes two other sounds. So that's why it's a special letter that's making special sounds for us. So I hope you enjoyed your lesson today, and I hope you like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.